Always wear a proper and suitable attire. Never forget to wear a safety helmet. Avoid from wearing any accessories. Most importantly, never wear any sandal or slipper. Always practice a proper attire. Shoes or safety boot is a must. Wear proper and comfortable clothes. Leave our hand and wrist free from any accessories.
An operator must be trained and have a proper license. There are 4 lessons: F, G, H and I. F. Tractor light wheel, weight not exceeding 5,000. G. Tractor light track, weight not exceeding 5,000. H. Tractor heavy wheel, weight 5,000. I. Tractor heavy track exceeding 5,000.
First, hand must be gripped carefully to each side of holder. Slowly step up on the tractor. Slowly move toward the seat and sit comfortably. To get down, slowly open the seat belt. Slowly move away from the seat. Face backward and slowly get down from the tractor.
An operator must be mentally and physically healthy to operate a tractor. Never eat medicine or drink alcohol before operating a tractor. Because this will affect your working performance. You might feel sleepy and drowsy, and bad consequence to occur is high. Most importantly, never sleep on a tractor.
Never disturb or block the way for tractor. A bystander must also give way to the tractors to avoid any accident. Never underestimate the risk of moving tractors and implement.
Drive carefully. Never attempt to do this. Even if your vehicle broke down. Don't panic. Relax. Work slowly and enjoy the nature. Never have any intention to ride on a tractor. Never allow a passenger to ride on. No passenger should be allowed to ride on the tractor.
Give a full attention to the driving. Never use a phone while operating a tractor because it will disturb your focus.
Never flit on the tractor while it is running or not. Always pay full attention toward the driving.
Make sure all the gear is in neutral. Step on the brake and slowly switch off the engine. Never jump off the tractor. Get down slowly and carefully. Never leave the implement without being placed properly on the ground.